In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin user to Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when granting someone full administrative access. Start by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Sign in if you're prompted, and if your account has access to multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct company before proceeding. Adding an admin gives them wide-ranging permissions, so it's important you're working in the right place. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. This is your settings area. Click it to open the controls for your organization. If your interface looks a little different, the gear will still be at the upper right and labeled settings when you hover over it. Inside settings, find and select users. This is the hub where you can see everyone who already has access, their roles and their invitation status. It's a good moment to double check whether the person you're adding isn't already listed and to get familiar with the different roles available, since roles determine what a user can see and do. Now click Invite Users. A panel or dialog will open where you can enter the details for the new person. In the name field, type the individual's full name as you'd like it to appear in Zoho Books. Clear and correct names make it easier to audit activity later and keep your user list tidy. Next, enter their email address. This is crucial because Zoho Books will send the invitation to this address and the user's login will be tied to it. Take a moment to confirm the spelling and the domain, especially if your company uses multiple email formats. A small typo here is the most common reason invitations don't reach the right person. With the basics in place, choose the role. Select Admin. The admin role provides broad access across your Zoho Books organization, including settings, transactions, and reporting. Only assign this role to trusted team members who genuinely need full control. If you're unsure whether admin is appropriate, review your internal policy before proceeding, but for our task today, we'll set it to admin. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho Books will create the invitation and list the person in your user's page, typically with a status indicating they've been invited. They'll receive an email to join, and once they accept, their status will update automatically. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. That's it. You've successfully invited an admin user in Zoho Books quickly and securely.